Use capsicum and predator-odor granules as a targeted, low-effort way to keep deer, rabbits, and small mammals out of garden beds. For effective DIY use, choose a capsicum-based granule labeled for garden use or a predator urine analog formula and read the label for the correct broadcast rate. Broadcast evenly over soil or mulch. Avoid piling near plant stems, and wear gloves to prevent skin or eye irritation because capsaicin can burn. Reapply after heavy rain or irrigation and after about 2 to 3 weeks during active feeding seasons, since rain and UV break down scent and taste cues. Rotate between a spicy taste repellent and an odor-based product every few weeks to reduce habituation so animals do not learn to ignore a single cue. Use in combination with short physical barriers such as low fencing or row covers around seedlings for best short-term results while establishing plants. For persistent browsing, consider installing sturdier fencing as a long-term solution because repellents work best as part of an integrated approach. The 3 most common issues are rain wash-off, habituation, and improper application that damages plants or wastes product. If rain removes the granules, reapply at the label rate once soil surface conditions are safe, and choose a granular formula that the label specifies as rain-resistant. If animals start ignoring the product, vary active ingredients and alternate taste versus odor-based granules on a schedule and change application patterns to prevent predictable cues. If you see leaf scorch or residue, avoid placing granules directly against stems and sweep or lightly rake granules into mulch to keep contact with soil while protecting plant tissue. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors when DIY efforts need professional follow-up and helps contractors connect with homeowners who need pest control or fencing work. We also host a discussion community where gardeners and contractors share real-world tips and product experiences.